Video for you. I was having a conversation with a customer yesterday about this, the concept of the early close. And this is something that we fall in a bucket of things or techniques or tactics we use, strategies that we call simple, not obvious. They're so simple, they so effective, but they're not obvious. And almost all websites we see have issues where they're not leveraging these tactics. And this one's called an early close. So this is very simple. So basically, in the first paragraph or couple of paragraphs on whatever web page it is on your website, have a call to action or early close. And the idea of this came to me in 2009 when I wanted to buy a Mac Mini, and I went to the Apple store and I just wanted to buy it. I was on my way home from the office. It was 5:30. I'd been sitting in traffic, and I just wanted to buy the thing. And the sales guy just kept getting in my way, asking me if I wanted a keyboard, asking if I wanted the extended warranty. He was trying to run me through his whole sales process and funnel. When I was ready to buy, I just wanted to give him money and take the thing. And that's the idea of the early close. You don't need to put the call to action at the bottom of the web page, because there are people hitting that page right now that just want to do whatever the thing is they need to do to buy your stuff, book the appointment, whatever it is. So a very common one we see here, and probably maybe one of the most effective examples of an early close, is for medical practices. So medical practice might have 10 or 20 different procedures or services they offer. A dentist, for example, teeth whitening. And someone Googles their local dentist, whatever it is, or they already have a dentist, and they go to their website, they read about teeth whitening, or they just want teeth whitening, click on the page, and having just a simple line in the first couple of paragraphs: if you want to book an appointment, call us on this number during business hours. Or if you want to book online, you can do that 24/7 by clicking this link. And that simple call to action can dramatically improve conversions. So the customer I was having the conversation with is a real estate agency, and they had all these pages on the website for different property locations and different types of properties, so category pages essentially. And there was no call to action on there at all, which was a problem. But on these pages, there was a whole list of properties, and they're a boutique real estate agency. And these are expensive properties. These are $3, $5, $10, $20 million properties. And the people who want to buy these properties, they don't want to run through a sales funnel. They just want to make a call and speak to somebody who knows what the hell they're talking about. So again, in his case, I'm like, dude, you need to have an early close on all of these pages. Tell them what they need to do right now. If you want to speak to an agent, call this number or schedule a time by clicking this link here. Very, very simple and very, very, very effective. And that's what the early close is. You don't necessarily need to run customers through a full sales funnel or sales process in order for them to buy. Some proportion of your market is ready to buy now. They're hungry. They just want to do the thing. So add the early close to all the appropriate pages on your website. So that might be the homepage, services, and product pages. Very simple. We'll talk about some other concepts that are related to this. One is the inverted pyramid, and the other is the price list problem. We'll talk about those in the next set of videos. I hope you found this one useful. You can read about this on our website, wpspeedfix.com/early close. And if you want help with your website, we offer a free site speed audit here, or a free site audit. We also have a bunch of free tools here: free SEO audit, core vitals report, site speed test. Those are all free, take about 90 seconds with no opt-in required. If there's anything else you want, any questions, just post in the comments below. Cheers.